Today we will be learning how to do integration by parts. First, we will try to derive this formula. We know the product rule is shown here. If we integrate both sides, the derivative of the integral of f(x)(gx) turns into f(x)(gx), and the rest are simply integrated. We can move the integrals over as so. Now we substitute u as fx where du is the derivative of fx. And substitute v as gx where dv is the derivative of gx. Now it can be rewritten as integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. This is the formula for integration by parts. For this to work, integral v du should be simpler than u dv, so the resulting integral is easier to compute. To demonstrate how this is used, I will use a simple example, the integral of x sine x. We will take u as x. Du is the derivative of x, which is 1. Therefore du is equal to dx. We will put this information aside for later use. We can take dv as sine x dx. V is the integral of sine x, which is negative cosine x. However, plus constant is not needed at this stage as it cancels out in the formula of integration by parts. Now we will substitute all these values. Integral x sine x is equal to uv minus integral v du, which is substituted into this. The two minuses cancel out to give a plus. An integral of cosine x is sine x plus constant. That gives us the answer sine x minus x cosine x plus constant. Now we will attempt a more complex problem. This problem will make use of two instances of integration by parts. We will substitute the values of u and v as usual into these. Now these values are substituted into uv minus integral v du. That is equal to this. Now we have integral of sine 5x over 5 times 2x, and we will have to integrate by parts again. We can take 2 out of 5 out of the integral as it is a constant. Then we substitute values of u and v again, and substitute them back into uv minus integral v du. Integral of cosine 5x is sine 5x over 5. And that simplifies to this. Now we substitute this into the earlier integral. That gives us this value, and we can resubstitute this into the first integral. Finally, we may simplify this to form open bracket 25x squared minus 2 closing bracket times 5x plus 10x cosine 5x over 125 plus constant.